Hey everybody, afternoon, how's it going? Rob Causer here, MotoLabDirtBikes.com. We got a 2017 Husky 701 Enduro, and what we're doing is actually taking and removing the rear shock. So what that all entails is both sides of the bodywork, obviously the seat, take off the muffler, and what I wanted to do is just throw you a little lifeline here. So what happens is you remove the exhaust side bolt. What'll happen is it's actually a through collar on the lower fuel tank mount. So you can see it there. I've already removed the bolt, but you can see it's just a through collar there. Now, what can happen is you get the one side loose, and the other side will just spin and spin and spin, and you think that, well, what am I going to do now? You're just screwed. Well, let me share with you a little tip, a little 5mm lifeline, right? So what we're going to do is take and stick that in there. Sorry for the shaky camera here. Let me just get this in here so you can see what that'll do. There's actually an internal hex in there which will lock that in place, that allow you to remove the other one or the other side bolt to keep it from spinning. So there you go. It's a little tip. If we can, we're going to do a full video here in the future of how to remove that. So there you go. Getting ready to lower this bad boy 2 inches and set it on its way. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.